Okay, man, look, we just got, I mean, this dog was ferocious. It was horrible. I've never seen anything like it. Take a look at this. You want to come to Mexico? You want to come? This is my Chihuahua friend. You want to watch him freak out? I'm gonna put my hands over my head like, hello. Oh, you're over there now. Oh, look at those teeth. Wow, you're ferocious. You're gonna be online. Bye. Nah, Mexican dogs are cutie pies. As a matter of fact, the strays are like the nicest dogs in the world. They'll even come up, give you a sniff, move on. I just walk down the street. See, that's what's wrong with y'all. Sensationalism. Stop it. There's nothing dangerous in Mexico except you doing something dumb. All right? You want to jump off a cliff in Acapulco, or you want to, I don't know, do something dumb. Well, that works everywhere on the planet. Right? That little Chihuahua was just the cutest little thing. I actually met him at the door. He's a lot nicer in person than he is up on his roof. All right? Talk to you guys later. Whatever.